I'm just putting my hair back, then we can just simply style it later. So as usual, on a clean face, the first step is moisturizer. Today I'm wearing organza sari. Once the makeup is done, I will do this in a single plate. So right now, because I want the hands to be free, I just pinned it. If you're watching my channel for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because we are coming up with lots of self makeup tutorial and few hairstyles that really work during festivals, brunches, and every week we launch 2 videos, Tuesdays and Fridays. So let's begin. So here, to keep the skin very natural, I'm using a mousse. This is from Lakme. These organza saris are good if you are going for a small office events, office festival gatherings, or any small functions or pujas at home that you are invited. I have also launched a course which is called Drape Like Pro, a sari draping course, which is like one-time pay and you can watch it rest of your life, which is going on discount this festive season. The link is in the description. Go ahead and grab this festival offer right now, where I have actually taught how to drape the sari, how to get the small pleats all by yourself, how to wear the sari in an easy and simple systematic method that no one has done it so far. Even if you are a beginner and no prior knowledge about sari draping, it's very easy to understand, and it will avoid you to overspend on the sari drapists every time you get dressed during occasions. Whether you're wearing a silk sari, cotton sari, organza sari, I have given 60 plus pro tip on that course as well. Now to compact, I'm using L'Oreal, just feathery touch, because generally when you use a mousse you do not need a compact, but here I'm just using it. Going with a blush and contour. This is a powder contour which has a lot of control on how much you need. Generally powder contour are good for oily skin people, but I do use it because I want very light contour, not heavy or too visible or not too sharp as well. Now let's groom our eyes. For this I'm using Plum Cosmetics Brow Definer. And using this soft pink highlighter here. These are the highlighters, comes in different shade. But I'm using a pink highlighter itself. Now let's get to the eyes. For this I'm using a purple shade from Hilary Ronda. This is a brand. I think I paid just 80 rupees for this, which is in budget, and amazing color payoff. This has a smudge brush here, smudging brush, and the color I'll just show you right here. Beautiful pigment, and the link for this product is right in the description. These kind of product investments help you save a lot of time when you do your makeup in a hurry. I'm just roughly applying it all over my lids. Using my finger, I'm just blending it out. Okay, so what is that I'm doing? So the technique is going for 2 to 3 layers like a liner, a thick liner, then smudge it to the eyelid. Again go 2 to 3 layers and again smudge it. So do this process for 3 times, okay? And then just add the liner and leave it off. So this will create a smoky effect, a fading or a gradient shade or a transition when you do your eye makeup. Now going for a kajal, using it on the tight line, and then to and fro to get that maximum pigment. No liner, I'm not using liner because again the purple shade will wash off, because I want the purple to be the highlighter here. And I'm not using any lash color, just coloring the lashes. Now for few, we always have oily eyelids, right? So for them, take a blush, a pink blush. The reason for the blush is the blush pigment is very, very light. Just put it on top of this to seal the creamy product. Tap it, tap the excess, so that if it is a powder product, this will help you to stay put. The product will stay in its place. Going for Mars Plum lip shade here. This is in the shade number 9. Again, I'll link the product in the description. So that's it. If you really want, you can go for a setting spray. Otherwise, you can just leave it as it is. Let's accessorize. For this, all I'm doing is a single neck piece and using a gold coated lotus white and white stone and lotus design earring. And for the bindi, I'm using black liner, just a single dot, because I'm not wearing any bangles because it's a full arm blouse, so I'm just completely skipping on to that. And for the hair, it's just a free hair. That's it guys. I hope you like this tutorial, which is very simple and easy to create. If you're wearing any fancy saris, something like this, and you want to create a monotone look, this is a perfect and easy makeup that you can do, which will be unusual because everybody uses gold or silver or copper on their eyes, but a purple is something which is very eye-catching. If this video helped you, do not forget to share this to those who love makeup in your group, And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and follow my channel and click the bell icon to get the notification on the next video. And in this festival season, go ahead, look gorgeous. Take that 10-15 minutes time for yourself to look gorgeous. I'll see you tomorrow with another tutorial. Thank you so much.